never thought this would happen.
Wait, no, for a second I genuinely was like, wait, am I getting the car?
No, I'm the one who's in control.
Too much. You're giving it too much spotlight.
Don't forget, yeah. Who got the power? I got the power.
Close to you. I'll settle for the close to you.
It's if I could be next to you.
More than life. Okay, I'll turn. Enjoy the weather.
You funny.
$20?
$20.
He thinks this is nice for $20.
Is it not?
You can plastic.
Literally,
It's
just because it says the stroke.
Stoke. It's plastic. You want to bet? You want to bet?
It says glass cup.
You're gonna
with
drop
straw.
it? If it's plastic or.
It says
I am.
You like ruined my shot.
Bro, this is so bad at taking. Can you get out?
Oh, get out.
I'm still. Why am I still in?
Wait.
You almost got a concussion just then.
And why are you laughing? What's so funny?
Keep her in the city. Keep her in the city.
Keep her in the city.
Wait, the water looks so pretty.
It's so cold.
It's kind of nice though. Whiplash. 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 Skinny. Wait, breathe in.
You're actually loud.
I don't know. It looks sad. No, we already have a dip. Chicken dip. We have buffalo chicken dip.
Birria ramen.
You can do
Oh, that sounds good actually.
that. No, you can do
Thank
that.
you.
You both can do that. Oh my gosh. The avocado is good. Look at it!
Is mine worse?
So much worse.
Can I see myself?
Oh.
Oh, it's like.
Why are we doing it from there?
3, 2, 1, go! Don't bury me, okay?
How would we bury you?
Wait, I can't fit! How did you fit?
I can fit.
No, you can't. Grace, stop. No, you look like a groundhog. Good job, Hubert.
Stop moving!
This looks kind of scary. It doesn't look like a mermaid at all.
Stop moving!
Release yourself.
Oh!
What? You were so close to hitting it.
Didn't get in the
Wait,
hole.
cause we made the tail so fat, I didn't know where the.
You almost killed him.
From the hole.
Goodbye, hole.
Okay, so we're just not showing photos.
What photos did you take?
I'm showing photos.
None.
I have photos of the hole.
Of Hubert in the hole. I don't want Hubert in the hole.
Standing on him.
Are we doing group or like so?
It looks
belly.
good though. Why is one leg separated out? Ooh, the juicy, gluttonous fattiness.
Mmm.
Is it good?
You go with the chili.
Whoa. This bite's for you.
Sweet.
Whoa.
Bus. Bomb.com. Subscribe.
Oh, no loss on the vinegar.
We mix it for you guys so
Okay.
you get it all scraped off the bottom.
Rice.
Gives it crispiness and all the good flavors.
Grace, we need some social anxiety.
I haven't had it yet.
It looks very like.
I love
Turn it around.
the reborn.
Try the steak.
Oh, you were recording that.
So full. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Why is he looking at me like that? You act weirder. Yeah. Oh my god, why is he trying to act nonchalant all of a sudden? Get out. This isn't you. This isn't you, Jaden. I eat you. And I think I'm gonna go back.
Where do you even see the
cake.
price?
It smells so good.
It does smell really good. Wait, guys.
Oh, you guys are waiting? I want a lot of powdered sugar.
Of course you do. Diabetes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, sh-
I'll take that. Cheers.
Banana!
Oh.
Okay, go do that then. Catch me a crab to eat with the shin ramen.
Oh. Oh.
You're inhaling the gas. Yeah. Hold on for dear life, Jaden. Hold on.
I'm waiting. What do you mean? Hold on.
What are they doing?
Help me, help me.
It was supposed to be silent time, by the way.
Look.
Guys, you guys are
You
gonna
got the corner of the blanket.
don't
You're gonna fall.
dude, look up your mattress!
When you woke up, I woke up, and then Jaden woke up, and then someone still snored. That has to be great.
Okay, I can open it now. Okay, no.
If I still can't open
No, give
it,
it.
then I'll open it.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Are you
Oh, yeah! Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I
Ordered.
thought. Oh, yay!
Wait, we need strawberry milk. Oh wait, no,
We didn't get strawberry milk. We got some strawberry milk instead. Watch it.
Ooh.
Oh, we only have one spoon.
So I
It's no refreshment.
I love that you're. I said that.
I love that
love
you're
that.
spilling everywhere.
I love that you're spraying it. It's really refreshing.
Oh, I love
And
how
I-
you put
and I
it
hope
back
you're-
in the bowl.
Ah! Ah! Yeah!
I love that more than prosciutto.
Who forgot that? Who forgot the prosciutto? Wait, Hubert's okay. It's I love how you forgot the prosciutto.
Who didn't go into my house and get it?
Hubert, do you remember what happened that morning? just like the jar just like
You just like to spell.
the jar just like over?
Yeah. Quick, quick. Bro, how much are you adding? Whoa. Whoa. Watch,
You're
watch.
getting mad at me.
Let me drain it.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, it smells so vinegary.
That's you added so much.
It's okay, because the bread is so thick, like you need a lot.
Yeah, you heard that?
No, she's not making you feel better.
Actually not bad.
I'd rather sit here though, right?
Close to like a bar.
Yeah, it's bummy. Oh, the lighting's so good. Wow.
Show the view.
I already did.
Oh.
I wanted to show my favorite view. My gosh. Look, it's as big as my hand.
Yeah, it's like huge.
That's so good.
Could only eat half.
This is genuinely becoming absurd.
What?
We haven't gone on boxes or receipts, like anything. I don't mind.
Like the mood is good.
The mood I'm in. We've waited like 30 minutes out.
Let's do smoke. Ready? Oh, they're calling the cops. Run! We're too good.
Smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. Smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. Fun though.
Sorry, I didn't have the camera with me, but we just had ice cream.
It was good.
It was good.
Hubert, you said blackberry,
I think
raspberry.
it wasn't anything
Bro.
You said black
but it was good. The
raspberry,
vibe was good. The vibe was good.
raspberry and chocolate, but it was
Dairyland. The game.
Hey, go Korea.
And this is when it transitions to Korea winning.
We back! Bro, it's so nice here. Why can't it be like this at Ocean City?
It was when we left.
Yeah. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Out!